Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Chai Aromatherapy Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser. So let's go ahead, open this up. I like the super elegant design. It's really nice and when you walk into a home and just like having a diffuser go off. It also comes with the instruction manual and charger. So first things first, let's see how to use it. So this is where you pour the water in. And then you put this on, and then this is more like a decorative piece to cover that. And then this is to actually have a place to diffuse it. So let's go ahead and add the water. So the first step is to pour the water in, and don't exceed, it says over here, don't exceed the max line. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour it. Next are the essential oils. And they come in all sorts of different scents. It's up to you what you want, but they have eucalyptus. Lavender is a super popular one and great for, I always use lavender before I go to bed. Of course, sweet almond. So let's just go ahead and check out sweet almond first. Ooh, it's a really big bottle. That's nice. Comes with a little dropper, I think. Ah, a little dropper. Oh, that's so cool. They usually just come in like bottles, but okay, let me try this then. I wonder if the small ones come in dropper form too. So this is what it normally looks like. Super cool. So all you need for this one is basically like 2 to 3 drops. That's really all you need. Ooh, super nice. Smells super good. And that's just perfect. So let me go ahead and squeeze a few drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just do 5 because I like it to be a little bit more scented. And then you can go ahead and reassemble everything back together. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and it's just over here at the base. There we go. And then you can just go ahead and turn it on. So once you do, it will slowly start to have like a little bit of a murmur sound, and then it just automatically starts going. I don't know if you can see the steam or not, but it's going. This little smile over here, if you click on it, it actually allows this to change colors. You can see the color a little bit better there. So this is red. Click on it again. Blue or purple, green, like yellow, blue, red, etc. So you can change the color. That's what this little guy is for. And then if you want to stop the steam, oh, and you can probably see the steam here better too. But you can stop the steam just by clicking this little teardrop, and then immediately it stops. So that's how you use the Chai diffuser. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this diffuser. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.